Are you tired of spending countless hours and a fortune on voiceover? Do you wish you could find the perfect AI voice generator to save you time and money? Look no further than Lovo. Lovo is go-to AI voice generator and text-to-speech platform for thousands of creators just like you. Whether you are creating audio ads, games, animations, audiobooks, or e-learning courses, Lovo has the perfect voiceover solution for you. Simply go to Lovo Workspace and create a new project. Choose a voice that fits your project, then write or paste your text. Next, select the blocks of text you want to convert to voiceover and click on the Generate Selected Block icon. Within seconds, you will have high quality voiceover instantly. Once your voiceover is generated, you can play it right away to make sure it's exactly what you are looking for.
Artificial intelligence (AI) refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as perception, reasoning, learning, and problem solving. AI systems use techniques such as machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision to analyze data.
So, why wait? Join the thousands of creators who have already saved 90% of their time and budget with Lovo. Try it out today.
Discover latest AI tools with video demos. Visit aidemos.com.